Alright, so I have completed the 14 Pro Max phone, converting it to SIM. Alright. Now, since I've got so much money invested in this thing, I'm going to keep it. And I'm going to get it unlocked, but right now it is locked to AT&T. So let's see. SIM locked. So if I put my SIM card in there, and we are on iOS 16.6. So if I put my SIM card in there, which is Qlink, which is T-Mobile, and we go through this. Yay. Great. Alright. This is Mksd Ultra. This is 5.4. It's newer. And just to show you, it will work. So will the older ones work. Alright, so 5G mode auto, and then AT&T 5G, AT&T AU. It differs, so I'm going to click, since this is an AT&T phone, AT&T 5G. So we're going to click it. Dismiss, blah, blah, blah. Leave it alone for a minute. Now, if it still stays on this screen, you can click next. There you go. Sometimes it'll get stuck on stupid, but as you see, Qlink wireless, and it's going to show up there, FirstNet. So first I'm going to go into my cellular, make sure my roaming is on, 5G, more 5G, blah, 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 whatever. And make sure that your carrier that you're using is right there. So we're going to turn off data. We're going to go here, Yahoo. See what we get. So now the only thing that I haven't messed with is my voicemail. I don't know if I got the wrong IMSI using it or not. I'm not going to mess with it because I'm getting it unlocked, and it's just one of those things. I can call my voicemail, it'll work. So yeah, this is my phone. This is actually an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Still got the stuff on it. And it took a while to actually do this, but it can be done.